Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align text in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option and select edit option. Now click on this text box and press Ctrl A, select whole text box and this format option. Here you will find this align option. This is left align, this is center align, and see this on right align, and this is justify align, and see this. I'll center align this text and see this. Also I'll fix this text box text align, and this is right align, see this, and this is justify align. Also align this text right align and see this. In this way you can fix all of text align on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.